really hollow. There are cities underneath the earth, and they've been down there. The people went down there at the fall of Atlantis. There's a whole city. It's got a sun, it's got water, it's got lakes, it's got animals. It's beautiful, and they're more highly advanced than we are. Entrances are found underneath the pyramids of the world. They had the entrances to the hollow earth, and the pyramids were built on top of the entrances. This means the one in Egypt, the one in South America, anywhere there's a pyramid, there will be an entrance going down into the hollow earth.
Now, ivideo esivule ngayo ngicela ukuthi ngiyitolike ukuthi uthini umlungu lapha. Part 4 la sikhuluma khona ngabelungu, right? Uthi umlungu kunomhlaba o-underground. Lo mhlaba o-underground ubizwa ngokuthi i-hollow earth ngolimi lwabo. Uyachaza futhi ukuthi lo mhlaba u-advanced, okusho ukuthi i-technology iphezulu kakhulu khona kunala kuthina, right? Izinto zinobuchwepheshe kakhulu kulomhlaba ongaphansi komhlaba esiphila kuona, right? Bese phinde yachaza umlungu ukuthi kunabantu abahlala lapha, khona ngisho ilanga lakhona, izilwane zakhona ngaphansi komhlaba lo esiphila kuona ngaphansi, right? Bese phinde yachaza ukuthi indlela yokungena lapha ungena kuma pyramids. Ukhumbuleka ama pyramids akhona eAfrica, akhona eEgypt, akhona eUganda. Angisazi noma eEthiopia akhona yini nakhona, nase South Africa akhona, ise South America akhona, kuzoba ise Europe akhona, ise Asia akhona. Ama pyramids. So ama pyramids ila khona ama entrance angena aya kephi kulomhlaba lo ngaphansi kwethu, right? Onabantu abaphila khona, right? So ngizocela ukuthi siphinde sibuke enye ivideo futhi nayo ikhuluma about the very same thing lo umlungu akhuluma ngayo. Ngicela sibuke la.
Emathunjini omhlaba khona idalwe ehlala lapha emathunjini omhlaba baba kunamadolobha awu6. Ngiyawazi mina ngoba ngiyaphuma emzimbeni ngihambe ngiye khona. Emathunjini omhlaba asikhulumi ngaphansi kolwandle. Ngisho emathunjini omhlaba kunamadolobha ayisithupha. Lapha emathunjini omhlaba kukhona idalwa ezi-technology ngendlela iyisimanga ihlala lapha emathunjini omhlaba, ekujuleni komhlaba lapha emathunjini omhlaba. So ngizama ukuveza ukuthi
nansi ivideo yachaza futhi ukuthi nayo iyakusekela ukuthi kunomhlaba okhona ngaphansi, kunabantu abaphilayo ngaphansi komhlaba. Iyakuveza ukuthi amadolobha ayisithupha, right? Kwamanye amavideo ami ngakuveza ukuthi umuntu owakha abelungu obizwa ngokuthi uYakub uphuma ngaphansi, uyinzalo ya underground. Abazali bakhe bobabili they are from underground. Kahle kahle labantu elibazi ngokuthi yini ama-alien ngengisasho. Kodwa labo bantu abakanjalo abazali bakhe baphuma from underground. Yena wabese khulela emhlabeni lo wethu. Labantu ababizwa ngokuthi ama-alien, abantu abakhona nje, abantu abahlala bavela emhlabeni babe phakathi kwabantu, right? So uYakub into ayadala ukuthi akhulele emhlabeni endaweni ekuthiwa ise Saudi Arabia, endaweni ekuthiwa ise Mecca. Izwe ise Saudi Arabia, indawo ise Mecca. Ilapho akhulela khona uYakub. Yini ayadala ukuthi akhulele lapho? Ingobani? Abazali bakhe baphinga. Uma wakhe wayeshade nenye indoda wabeselala nobaba kaYakub kwazala uYakub, base wabe esedingiswa uma wakhe benoYakub. Ubaba wakhe wabulawa underground. Wabe sebazonda lapho abantu abamnyama ngoba labantu abanderground bamnyama nabo, right? Wabe sebazonda lapho ke ubani uYakub abantu abamnyama. Wabe sekhula ke ekhulela eMecca efunda khona efuna ukuthi one day akhe isizwe sakhe esizohluka from isizwe sabantu abamnyama esiyobusa umhlaba. uYakub uyena-ke owasungula isizwe sabelungu. Abelungu they only come emlandweni about 5,000 years ago. Okusho ukuthi they are not older than 10,000 years. Awukakapheli 10,000 years bekhona emhlabeni. Right? uJacob existed 6,000 years ago. Right? And ukuthi akhe lesizwe sakhe sabelungu ngikuchazile kwamanye amavideo ami ukuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi akhe lesizwe kwakheke lesizwe kwathatha about 600 years ukuthi kwakheke lesizwe esimhlophe esinebala elimhlophe esinama genes amhlophe. Wayekwenza ngani? Ngegrafting. The process was called grafting. Right? Waqala wakhe isizwe esibrown, kwahamba isizwe sakhe sashintsha saba yellow, kwahamba sase siba mhlophe nje basimhlophe kanje namhlanje. Right? Kodwa isizwe asakha ukuthi sibuse umhlaba njengoba siwubusa nje namandla esi-opposite abantu abamnyama. Waze wabhala ngisho incwadi ebizwa ngokuthi i-tricknology. Leyo ncwadi ebizwa ngokuthi i-tricknology 120 degrees inayo yonke i-blueprint yokuthi bawubuse kanjani umhlaba, divide and conquer, konke kwakubhalwe lapho. Kwabhalwe uyena uJacob ukuthi nizobusa kanje umhlaba, nizobachitha kanje abantu abamnyama. Yonke iformula yabhalwa lapho. Ngoba ngisho i-technology njengoba ondlebe ikhanyilanga be-good kakhulu ku-technology, ingobani? Naye wayemfundisi wayo. Ukhumbule phela ukuthi he's from underground. Underground kuthiwa ba-more civilized, ba-more advanced. Right? Sicela ukuthi siyibambe la. Bekuwu part 4 lo la sikhuluma khona ngabelungu. Bengifuna ukucacisa lento ye-underground ukuthi umsunguli wabelungu uvela from underground. Sabonga kakhulu.